Welcome to 112 Valley Drive. I'm Alistair Hall with Resources Real Estate, and this is your open house recap. This is a classic center hall colonial with a 2-story foyer. Brazilian cherrywood floors are found throughout the entirety of the house. The former living room features a gas fireplace and a bay window. This is a gourmet kitchen with 42-inch cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package featuring a vacuum range. A breakfast nook and a large bay window completes the kitchen. The large formal dining room features decorative molding. A large pantry and half bath complete the first floor. The second floor features a master bedroom with a large walk-in closet. The luxurious master bathroom features a soaking tub, a shower stall, and a double vanity. The second floor features 3 additional large bedrooms accompanied by large walk-in closets. Featured on the second floor, there's a full bathroom and a laundry room. If you would like more information about this lovely home, please contact me, Alistair Hall, with Resources Real Estate at 732-212-0440.